Okay, people, listen up. Today, 2025-10-14, we are not messing around. We are making the most delish, ooey-gooey, garlicky, cheesy rolls you have ever had. It's so easy, you'll wonder why you ever bought the stuff in a can. First things first, mise en place. Get your stuff together. Visual. All ingredients neatly arranged on a wooden countertop. Flour, about 3 cups. Warm milk, about 1 cup. Think baby's bathwater, not a hot tub, or you'll kill the yeast. Active dry yeast, 2 teaspoons. Sugar, 2 tablespoons. Salt, 1 teaspoon. Soft butter, a couple tablespoons. Large egg. Garlic, about 4 big cloves. Mince garlic super fine, or use a garlic press. Melted butter, 1/4 cup. Grated cheese, 1.5 cups. Cheddar for punch, mozzarella for epic pull. Mixing bowl, measuring cups and spoons, clean surface, wiped and ready. Make sure everything is at your fingertips. Don't hunt with doughy hands. Pan 9x13 or round, rolling pin or a clean wine bottle, knife or unflavored floss. Prep done. Let's make dough. Alright, it's dough time. This is where science meets the kitchen. Grab a small bowl. Pour 1 cup warm milk. Warm, not hot. Add 2 tablespoons sugar. Sprinkle 2 teaspoons yeast on top. Give it a little stir. Let it sit 5 to 7 minutes. It should be foamy and bubbly. If it's flat, swap packets. 3 cups flour in a big bowl. 1 teaspoon salt. Quick whisk to combine. Make a well. Drop in 2 tablespoons softened butter and 1 large egg. Pour the bubbly yeast into the well. Grab a wooden spoon. Mix from the center, pulling flour in. Mix until a shaggy, slightly sticky ball forms. Turn dough onto a lightly floured surface. Knead 5 to 8 minutes. Fold, push, turn. Put on music. Find your rhythm. Ready when smooth, soft and elastic. A gentle poke should spring back. Lightly oil a clean bowl. Place dough in. Turn once to oil the top. Cover and set in a warm, draft-free spot. Let rise 45 to 60 minutes. It'll double, big, puffy, glorious. While our beautiful dough has its spa day, let's whip up the filling. In a small bowl, combine a 1/4 cup melted butter with 4 finely minced cloves. Add a pinch of salt and stir. That smell is pure comfort. 1.5 cups grated cheese. Mix cheddar for tang and mozzarella for stretch. Feeling fancy? Add finely chopped parsley or coriander. Make it your own. A pinch of red pepper flakes, a teaspoon dried oregano or fine jalapenos. Recap: fragrant garlic butter and a bowl of cheesy, herby goodness. Set them beside where you'll roll the dough. Assembly will be a breeze. Once the dough doubles, we'll punch it down and transform it. This is the fun part. Everything comes together. Ready to roll? Let's go. Ding! Time's up for the dough's nap. Big, puffy, doubled, gently punched to release air. So satisfying. Onto a lightly floured surface. Use a rolling pin or a clean wine bottle. Roll to roughly 12 by 16 inches. Focus on even thickness. Spread garlic butter all over. Get into the corners and leave a 1/2-inch border on one long edge. Sprinkle 1.5 cups cheese evenly. Gently press it down. Roll tightly into a log for a beautiful swirl. Then pinch the seam to seal. Use a sharp knife. Or my secret weapon, unflavored dental floss. Slide under, cross, and pull. Boom, clean cut. Cut 10 to 12 rolls, about 1.5 inches. Grease the pan. Place pinwheels cut side up, barely touching. Cover loosely and let proof 20 to 30 minutes. This final rest makes them extra light and airy. Don't skip it. Final stretch. While rolls finish puffing, preheat the oven to 375 degrees, 190 degrees. For glossy tops, brush beaten egg. For softer mat, brush milk. After 20 to 30 minutes, they should look puffier. Bake 18 to 22 minutes on the center rack. Keep an eye on them. Every oven's different. Look for beautifully golden brown tops and bubbly melty cheese. Your house will smell like the best bakery. Carefully remove to a rack and cool 5 minutes so they set and don't fall apart. Pillowy soft bread, garlic butter in every layer, and a molten river of cheese. Serve rustic, right in the pan. Leftovers? Cool completely and store airtight. Good 1 to 2 days at room temp. Reheat at 320 160 for 5 to 7 minutes until soft and melty again. Perfect with tomato soup, a hearty salad, or as a snack. There you have it. Shockingly easy, insanely delicious garlic cheese rolls.